So tonight we're working on problems 6 through 9. This first one is an exponential. We have two different bases that cannot go into each other, so we'll use that Snell method. And we'll have log base 3 to the 2 equals 5x. We'll divide both sides by 5, and we'll have log base 3 2 over 5 equals x. For our second problem, we first want to get this back into like that logarithm form, so we're going to minus 4 over log base 3 x plus 2 equals 8. Now we can use that same Snell method, and we'll have 3 to the 8th equals x plus 2. 3 to the 8th, when we solve that out, we get that to be 6,561 equals x plus 2. When we subtract the 2 over, we'll have 6,559 equals x. For problem 8, first we're going to add that 50 over, so we can set this equal to 0. We'll have x to the 5th, 2x to the 4th, minus 25x, plus 50 equals 0. We're going to split split the polynomial, and we'll have x to the 5th minus 2x to the 4th plus negative 25x plus 50. Take out x to the 4th from both is 1. Take out a minus 25 from this. You can factor this out a little bit more. So x can be equal to plus or minus the square root of 5, plus or minus I square root of 5, and 2. And for this last problem, we're bringing back everybody's favorite from Unit 7, substitution. Go ahead and factor this. So you can either equal 4/3 or it can equal -1. Set each of these back to the original equation, so 4/3 equals 1 over x plus 5, -1 equals the same thing. Cross multiply. So x is going to either equal -17 over 4 or -6. So that is tonight's homework. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, see you tomorrow in class.